In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Omnisend for email marketing. We'll walk through the main parts of the Omnisend dashboard so you know exactly where to go to create campaigns, set up automations, build forms, manage your audience, and check your performance. Once you log in, you'll land on your Omnisend dashboard. This is your overview page where you can see all your key analytics at a glance. Take a moment to look around here. You'll typically see metrics like how many emails you've sent, open and click rates, and how much revenue your emails and automations are generating. This page is useful for quickly checking what's working and what might need improvement. Next, look at the left-hand column. You'll see a series of icons. Click on the email icon that represents campaigns. This section is where you create the one-off emails you want to send to your subscribers, such as newsletters, promotions, or announcements. Inside the campaigns area, click on Create Email Campaign. This is where you set up a new email campaign that will go out to your audience. Omnisend gives you designer-made templates you can choose from, which is great if you want something polished quickly. You can also create your own template from scratch if you prefer more control over the design. From here, you can add products from your store directly into the email to promote them, customize your text and images, and set your subject line and sender details before scheduling or sending. Now, go back to the left-hand column and click on the automation icon. This takes you to the automation section where you can build flows that run on autopilot. These can include welcome series for new subscribers, abandoned cart reminders, or post-purchase follow-ups. In this automation area, click on Preview and Start Workflows. This lets you explore pre-built automation workflows and then activate them. Automations are powerful because they can generate revenue passively once they're set up. Take time to review each step in a workflow, adjust the timing, edit the emails, and make sure the triggers match your goals. Next, click on the icon below automations called Forms. This is where you manage your sign-up forms and pop-ups. Here, select Preview and Launch Form to create or customize a new sign-up form or pop-up for your store, for example on Shopify. You can adjust the design, choose when the form appears, and decide what information you want to collect, like email addresses or names. Below that, click on the People icon, often labeled Audience. This is where you manage your contacts. In this section, you can view and edit your subscribers, create segments based on behavior or attributes, and work with imports, exports, and tags. Segmentation is especially important for sending more targeted campaigns, such as emailing only recent buyers or highly engaged subscribers. Finally, at the bottom of the left-hand column, click on the last icon, which looks like a line or graph. This is the reports area. Here you can view detailed reports for sales, products, campaigns, automations, forms, and deliverability. Use these reports to understand which emails drive the most revenue, which products perform best, and how well your messages are reaching inboxes. Reviewing these insights regularly will help you refine your email marketing strategy over time and make better decisions inside Omnisend.